Hello, ma'am.
Yes, do this one.
I can't hear you. Hello, hello. Is anyone
Do
here?
this
Hello,
one.
hello, hello,
Shivam,
hello,
do this one, beta.
hello,
Shivam, do
hello,
this one.
hello,
Shivam, the meeting is being recorded, but I will send you it to your mom.
hello.
Shivam, do it.
Done, ma'am. I'm telling it done.
So what is the answer?
The answer is 2 0 0 0 3 7 5.
It's wrong.
2 oh 2 3 7 5 2 3 7 5.
Very good. Do the next one.
What is next one? Right in the screen. Oh, not 2. 9 9 4 9 4 5 0.
Do the next one.
Right in the screen, then I will. Seventy-eight, 78, 0.
Do the next one.
Right in the screen. Mm. Then
Do the next one. It is correct. Very good, Shivam. Do this one.
okay, tell me. This one is done. Done.
Do this one, beta.
Done.
Where is it done? It's not written.
I have written it.
No.
Look.
I will send the recording to your mom, beta. Write it clearly.
Printed in the screen. I written 21264 in the screen in text. Yeah. Can you see now?
It's not written.
It's not
Now?
written. It's not written.
Very good. Excellent, beta. Now do the next one.
What it is?
$49 kilometers 075 meter. Very good. It's correct. Now do the next one. Convert into kilometers and meters.
What?
Convert into kilometers and meters.
Convent. And the class end.
At 5.
5.
Yes.
But now it's 5:30.
Write 1925.
1925. Written.
What have you written?
1925.
No. How much is the kilometer?
Oh,
How much is the kilometer? Divided by 1,000, whatever is the...
doing.
সেখানে সেখানে ছবিটা নেই কেন? এই তো এইটা এখানে ছবিটা না এইটা, তাহলে ওই নাম্বারটা
Tell me first, better Shivam.
তাই না?
Tell me Shivam first.
Oh, I can't understand this.
Divide 1925 and 1,000 better. Divide it by 1,000.
Mama, one is the km and 925 is the m.
Very good. 1 is kilometer, 925 is meter. Now do the next one.
From the class end.
14725 in 9 minutes.
Okay. Over 4. Oh. 40 is the km and 75 is the m.
Very good. Now do the next one.
Yes, please.
3125.
This one will be 3 is the km and rest is m. Okay.
3 is kilometer and the rest is meter. Very good. 125 is the meter. Now tell me the next.
Right.
25528. 25528.
This will be 25 is km and rest is m.
Tell me again.
25 is km and rest is m.
Very good. 25 is kilometer, 528 is meter. Now do the next one. Do this one.
3 is km and rest is m.
Very good. 33 is km and 409 is m. Now do the next one.
So when will the class end?
In 6 minutes. Do this one.
42 is km and rest is m.
42 is kilometer, 480 is meter. Very good. Now do the next one. 6008 meter.
Okay, so what you told, what is it?
6008 meter.
60 is km and rest is m.
60 is km and rest is m. Very good. Now do the next one. Hit this page also. 91025.
Yes,
Do this one with a 91025.
तो फोन कर